Hello, it's your girl Lola's Tasty Kitchen. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make Ofada sauce. Ofada too bad. Original, authentic Ofada sauce. You'll pour a generous amount of palm oil. For you not to cough your life out. I feel it's better for you to, cover the pot, leave it to bleach. Then for those of you might make the mistake of buying fake palm oil, that one that bubbles when you pour your locust beans, I advise you to just cover the pot. To turn off the gas, then let the oil cool off before you start the process again. I'm sure you saw me when I did that, or else you will cough your life out, and I'm sure you don't want that. Be checking it regularly to be sure that it's not overbleached, it's already bleached. Then you turn it off, allow the oil to cool. When it's almost cool, then you can pour your locust beans. That way, if peradventure you bought fake palm oil, it won't bubble and spill out. That's a lot of work. Whether you saw the pepper. Some people would actually say they're cooking Ofada and they'll use green pepper. There's a difference between green pepper and unripe pepper. For the authentic Ofada sauce, you need unripe pepper, not the green pepper for fried rice. No. That's not the way to go. Do you understand? So you need to put your stockfish immediately after your pepper, or else you hear crown is your teeth. Lodunye is your teeth breaking. Now yes, it don't go. All right, and for you to get that correct Ofada taste, you must cook this on low heat so that number one, it won't burn and give it a bitter taste. So you be sure to use your medium burner. Public announcement. Okay, so listen to this very important information. Yeah. So for your palm oil not to catch fire, as in it helps to cover the pot. It helps to cover the lid of the pot. Oxygen, or is it should I call it air now? Oxygen, air, or whatever you call it, and then fire, they are not friends. So that, okay, now they'll tell you that the temperature, there is a limit to the temperature your oil can get to, which is what makes it catch fire. But if you cover it, air is not entering, so the likelihood of it catching fire is not there. That's why it's very important to cover your pot. That aside the fact that you don't want to cough out your life. Can you see the soup? Ofada too bad. Ofada let me mẹ́jọ. Ofada oríṣiríṣi pọ̀mọ́, tinú ẹ̀rọ, ṣaki, ẹ̀dọ̀, what have you, gbogbo ẹ̀ ló wà ńbẹ̀, everything plenty, everything's perfect. Can you see the Ofada? The smell is out of this world. You can actually perceive the smell, like 3 streets from wherever you're cooking it from. Not only perceive, but people can smell it, they can hear the smell. Thank you for watching. Thank you. See you in my next video. I'll see the soup. Oh my God. See the pomo, see the shaki, edo, panla. Everything's explosive. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Please subscribe, share, like. Thank you. God bless you. Bye-bye.